Science, Unit 1, DCA on classifying matter. A student investigated several samples of matter and recorded the findings in a data table. Sample 1, yes, magnetic. Sample 1, 9.7 grams. Sample 1 conducts electricity. Sample 2, yes, magnetic. Mass is 10.7 grams. Yes, conducts electricity. Sample 3, no, not magnetic. 12.6 grams. Yes, conducts electricity. Sample 4, no, not magnetic. 4.8 grams. Yes, conducts electricity. Based on the data, which sample has the following properties? Conducts electricity, is not attracted to a magnet, has a mass between 5 and 15 grams. Sample 1, 2, 3, 4. Question 2. The Deepwater Horizon oil spill began on April the 20th, 2020 in the Gulf of Mexico. A massive response began to protect beaches, wetlands, and estuaries from the spreading oil, utilizing ships to skim the oil off the surface of the ocean. Why does the oil float on the surface of the ocean? A. Oil is more dense than water. B. Oil is mixed with salt in the ocean. C. The salt water pushes the oil to the surface. D. Oil is less dense than water. Question 3. Water and oil are poured into the same container. An object is added. The materials are allowed to sit and their final positions are shown in the illustration. What is the most reasonable conclusion that can be made from this test? Oil, object, water. A. The object has the lowest density. B. Water is less dense than oil. C. The object is less dense than water. D. Oil has the highest density. Question 4. Students design containers using different materials to keep an ice cube frozen for the longest period of time. The following table shows the result for each of the materials. Ice cube investigation. Materials. Time ice cube was placed in container. Time ice cube was completely melted. Aluminum foil. Time ice cube was placed in container, 1 p.m. Time ice cube was completed, 3:30. Melted, 3:30 p.m. Plastic wrap. Time ice cube was placed in container, 1 p.m. Time ice cube was completely melted, 1:30 p.m. Styrofoam. Time ice cube was placed in container, 1 p.m. Time ice cube was completely melted, 5 p.m. Paper towel. Time ice cube was placed in container, 1 p.m. Time ice cube was completely melted, 2 p.m. According to the data in the table above, which material was the best insulator? A. Aluminum foil. B. Plastic wrap. C. Styrofoam. D. Paper towel. Question 5. A student classifies objects shown based on their physical properties. Penny, eraser, key, cotton ball, iron nail, plastic ruler, metal paperclip, rubber band. Which property cannot be used to classify these objects into more than one group? A. Magnetism. B. Mass. C. Electrical conductivity. D. Solubility in water. Question 6. A student placed 4 balls made of different materials in a container of water. Based on the evidence, which of the following statements is correct? A. The density of ball 4 is greater than the density of ball 1. B. Ball 2 is more dense than ball 3. C. The density of ball 2 is less than the density of ball 1. D. Ball 4 is less dense than ball 3. Question 7. The table lists some properties of 4 different samples of water. Sample 1. State of matter and room temperature, solid. Color, clear. Attracted to magnet? No. Conducts electricity? No. Sample 2 is a solid. It's silver. Yes, it's attracted to a magnet. No, it does not conduct electricity. Sample 3 is a liquid. It's clear. Not attracted to magnet. Yes, conducts electricity. Sample 4, a liquid. White. Not attracted to a magnet. Yes, conducts electricity. Which 2 samples could be a glass marble and salt water? Sample 1 and 2. Sample 3 and 4. Samples 1 and 3. Or samples 2 and 3. Eight. In the picture below, what is the mass of the rocks in grams? A. 7 grams. B. 17 grams. 117 grams. D. 10 grams. 9. A student puts 4 objects in a bucket filled with water. The objects are listed below: plastic ball, glass marble, metal paperclip, wood block. Which 2 objects are most likely less dense than the water? A. Wood block and metal paperclip. B. Plastic ball and glass marble. C. Metal paperclip and glass marble. D. Wood block and plastic ball. Question 10. State 1, melting. State 2, evaporation. State 3, condensation. Freezing. Based on the direction of arrows in the diagram above, you can determine that A. State 1 is gas, State 2 is a solid, State 3 is a liquid. B. State 3 is a solid, State 2 is a liquid, State 1 is a gas. C. State 1 is a solid, State 2 is a liquid, State 3 is a gas. D. State 1 is a liquid, State 2 is a solid, State 3 is a gas.